All right, so good morning. Today, what we're going to do is go over the materials that we covered today in our Zoom class. So, if you weren't there, here's the perfect opportunity for you to catch up and see what we did in class today. So, we went over a few things. So, today we went over the quarter 4 introduction, pacing, and some materials that I wanted to share with you all. So the first thing was my virtual learning schedule. And if you can see here, Mondays I'm off, Tuesdays I have, and Thursdays I have my face-to-face Zoom meetings with my personal finance students. And our office hours for personal finance is from 1 to 2 on Wednesdays and Fridays. So if you can see that, right? You know what the schedule is. The schedule is also loaded up on Google Classroom. All right, next is our pacing guide for quarter 4. And the pacing guide is just basically a schedule of the things that we're doing for quarter 4. See, I have listed weeks 1 through 9. And this category here tells me what tells you all as a reminder, what module is due on EverFi, which is Finance and Higher Education. That should be your last module. All right. And per administration, we have to give you one assignment per week. So for week 1, which starts April 27th through May 1st, your first assignment is your career collage. And your career collage should be in your Google Classroom Drive, okay? And once you go into your Google Drive, just search for career collage, open it up, look at it, make sure you still have the same career in mind once you transition from high school to your post-secondary institution, whether it's vocational or whether it's on to community college or college. All right, make sure it's fine, tweak it, change it, correct it, whatever you want to do, and then resubmit it on Google Classroom. That's it. That's the only assignment you have to do for week 1. Then for week 2, we're going to fill out an application. For week 3, we're going to complete our resume. For week 4, we're going to do a cover letter. Week 5, we're going to talk about resignation letters. Week 6, we're going to create your own business flyer for a product or service that you're going to create, develop, and promote. And then the last 2 weeks or 3 weeks of school, weeks 7, 8, and 9, what we're going to do is focus on building or compiling our e-portfolio. All right, in blue also you see guest speakers. I will have one guest speaker per week. For this week, which will be on Thursday, we have Mania Shabazz and Maya Snowden, which will be talking about the HBCU experience. So they're going to talk for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then you all can ask questions to them for the remainder of the Zoom period. All right. So that was that. And last but not least, I want us to look at Clever. All right. So let me log into Clever real quick. Sorry about that. Sorry about that again. All right, I want you all to become familiar with my page on Clever. So here is my page. It says Miss C. Lewis's page. And here you will see your login for the class meeting. So what happens if you forget how to get to the class meetings, the Zoom meetings? All you have to do is just go to Clever. And here I have the class essentials. These are all the things that you're going to need while you're working for quarter 4. And last but not least, let's go back to our classwork section in Google Classroom. And I have listed all the assignments for quarter 4 because we voted on it. So everybody wanted all the assignments to be put up, and you can just work at your own pace and turn things in before the quarter is done. All right. The quarter is done on the 19th. So make sure, and I think it's this 5th of June, for seniors. So make sure that you turn in all of the work throughout the quarter. All right. I'm not penalizing you for being late, but you might want to complete each assignment each week so you are able to keep up and not fall behind. All right. And I believe that was it. So make sure you understand that when we are working, I need you there. I need you in class. All right. So see you guys on Thursday. Have a good one.